In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can create a creative cooking end screen here in Filmora. Before we proceed, don't forget to click on the subscribe button and turn on the notification bell so you won't miss any video in the future. First, let's go to the Media tab. You will see that I have imported some files for this video. But feel free to import the files you want to use in your end screen related to your brand. Now, let's select this one and drag it onto the first track. Then, let's move to the Titles tab and search Tasty Food. I will select this one and drag it onto the second track. Now, I will go to the Transitions tab to use this one and drag it at the end of the second track. Once you are ready, let's back to the Media tab to drag this onto the first track. Now, move to the Titles tab to search YouTube Pack lower third. Here you will see a lot of engagement social media icons you can use on the end screen. For me, I will use this one and drag it onto the second track. Then, let's double-click on it to adjust the position by dragging it on the preview window. And let's also modify the text with your information on the text settings being extended. Here you can also modify the size, color, font, etc. Now, let's move to the Transitions tab and search Food. I will select this one and drag it between these two clips. Once you are ready, I will take a screenshot of this frame, clicking here, and you will see the photo saved on the Media tab. Then, I will use it and drag it onto the first track. Then, let's move to the Titles tab, and I will select this YouTube end screen template and drag it onto the second track. Now, I will double-click on it to adjust the text settings, but this time I will click on the Advanced button. Here you can have more options to modify your text. I will also use another file from the Media tab. I will select this one as my YouTube channel avatar and drag it onto the third track. I will use this file in the profile photo space on the end screen template. To adjust the photo on a circle, I will go to the Effects tabs and look for the image mask to drag it onto the photo. You will see a circle will appear on the photo, but I still have to adjust it to the circle of the template. To do that, let's double-click on the track and you will see the transform settings being extended. Here I have to look for the image mask options to adjust the shape of the circle to the size I need. Once I am ready, let's adjust the position on the preview window in the exact space I need it. Then, let's animate this photo to appear at the exact second of the circle space from the end screen template appears. So, let's double-click and look for the animation option. I will add a keyframe in the exact seconds I want to animate the clip. Here you can animate the position, escalation, rotation, and opacity. Then, let's back to the Media tab and I will select this one and drag it onto the fourth track. Then, I will do the same process I have done with the profile photo to adjust it in the latest video space on the end screen template. Also, go to the Effects tab and search for Border. I will select this one and drag it onto the photo to give it a better looking, and I will double-click on it to adjust the size of the border on the transform settings. Now, I will animate this one as I have done with the profile photo to appear at the exact second of the rectangle space from the end screen. And there you have it, a creative cooking end screen video is done. like to recreate this, you can simply click Import Template at the bottom left of the video in Filmora Creator Academy to get the project files and replace the default media with your clips. If you would like to learn more about video editing, don't forget to subscribe and turn on the notification bell to stay updated when we upload new videos in the future. Do check out other tutorials on this channel and comment below to let us know what you would like to learn next. Till next time, stay creative with Filmora.